Spaghetti pababa, pababa ng pababa. Spaghetti pataas, pataas ng pataas.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is my journey. And if you're new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it. And if you have comment, suggestion, or violent reaction, you are free to comment to the comment section below. Alright? Alright, so today's video we will do a unboxing. Here's the package. I want to share it to you. Yes, and it's kind of heavy, right? This package I got from Instagram giveaway. I'm the lucky winner. Yeah, I'm the lucky winner from a giveaway of X-ray MUA. So yeah, wait. My cat. I'm kind of scared because sometimes he's peeing. He's a male cat, Bengal cat. Say hi to him. Bam Bam, say hi. Say hi. Oh my god. To Bam Bam. Hi Bam Bam. Say hi. I just woke up and I'm really excited to do this. You can't blame me what I'm feeling right now, guys, because last night I'm about to do this to film the unboxing, but then I said it's too late already. I was expecting morning, afternoon na ma-deliver na siya. You know, yung tipong tulog pa lang ako in the morning, meron na magdo-doorbell, or afternoon while I'm eating or watching movie. Pero wala. Sinagad talaga, guys. Sinagad yung ano ko, yung excitement ko, yung thrilling feeling, yung ganon. Talagang hindi 3 ng afternoon, hindi 4, 6 best. Magsi 7 na nga yun eh. 7 ng gabi. Pero maliwanag pa naman. Pero hindi pa rin. Alam mo yun, gabi pa rin yun eh. 'Di ba? So, technically gabi pa rin yun. So, nag-antay talaga ako the whole day na napaparanoid na ako na yung ganong thoughts na ano ba, madi-deliver ba today? May nangyari bang masama sa package ko? Kasi nung oras na nakala ko yung 5 afternoon is late na yon para mag-deliver. But then, mga 6-7 ko na na-receive. Bash, diba? So, today is the perfect day for me to unboxing and film this and share this to you guys. I'm really excited. Later, I will share to you guys on how to join the giveaways and then the tips, you know, para may chance kayo na manalo, ganon. So, later, I will tell you that after this unboxing. And for now, I just want you to follow me on Instagram at loveleehesper. And then, I want you to follow also the generous person who gave this to me. His username is X-ray MUA. So, this is the username. Please follow his Instagram account. He's really nice and approachable, guys. Talagang kinakausap ka niya and he's very generous. You know, ang dami niyang binigay na makeup sa akin. So, alright. Let's move on because I'm really excited. Good! Ang daming makeup. Grabe. Oh my god. So, let's do this. I don't know what to pick first. Guess this is a lot, guys. Seriously. Hindi ko alam talaga kung ano una kong dadamputin ay papakita sa inyo. Ganon. Sobrang excited ako. So, I will pick this first, the Anastasia, since ito yung nasa harapan ko at ito yung una ko nakita. Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick Set. Ayan siya. Yan, medyo brown yung color niya. Or brown nude. Halos Mas parehas yung color nung nauna, pero mas brown lang to. Diba? Halos magkadikit yung color. This is a no filter foundation color pop. Yung isa, medyo yellowish. Yung isa, medyo light brown. Ganyan. This is like a 25 ml. Not bad. Madami na to. So anyway, this Glow for It Buffer Brush, Model's Own. This is from Model's Own. Ayan, cute niya, no? Walang amoy. Pero ang lambot niya. Ganda. Ayan siya. This is two shades. Ayan. So, dark siya ng konti. And then, ito yung ayun. May pusa. Medyo watery siya. Ay, medyo watery siya. Oh. Nakulob na damit. Na may pusa. Ay, hindi. Sa umpisa lang siya. Na pag, sa umpisang amoy, yung initial smell niya, amoy pusa. Pero, yung pangalawang amoy chocolate. And then, yung huli, mabango na siya. Amoy pabango na. Don't judge. Yan siya, oh. Parang, so for now, this is just a plain unboxing, okay? And then there's also a London Latte Blush Crush. Siguro may-ari nito si Grande, si Ariana Grande. Ang ganda na lagayin. And sabi dito, taray, your mascara's new best friend. Sabi! White marker, ganyan. Hindi, parang amoy lugaw na. Seryoso. Baka namimiss ko lang yung Pinas, kaya ano. Anyway, ang ganda ng niya, bristles ng brush niya. Parang hindi mag-ano talaga yung pilik mata mo. Magka-clump. Let's move to Grande lips. So, ganito magiging lips ko, ha. Grande. I'm telling you. Ayan, no, nakalagay ko 97% comfortable to wear. Lips look natural, fuller. Ay! Gusto ko talaga. Kasi yung lips ko medyo manipis lang ngayon. Gusto ko. Ganyan siya. What's this? Thin. From thin lips to fuller lips. Medyo curious ako. Kaya niya, cute. Cute, And then I have here a lot of lipsticks, guys. Not 4, not 6, but 8. So, na-curious ako ano yung malaking box na yun. Ayan siya. Oh. Medyo makapal. Para siyang libro. Ayan siya. Boost powder. This is intensifying highlight areas and for sheer even in a long-lasting coverage. While the other one is a liquid illuminator. Tapos may kasama siyang applicator na brush, 2 brushes. Diba? So cute. Pencils. Oh. Ito benefit naman. This is benefit. This is also for eyebrow. This is the satiny pink complexion highlighter. Ito yung bagong foundation ng Benefit. Ang cute ng packaging niya. Parang, diba? So cute. Ayan. Different shades. 2, 3, and 4. Oh, ang cute, oh. Diba? Alright guys, so we're done unboxing and now let's proceed on how to join the giveaways on Instagram. Alright? So first thing, I want you to follow me in Instagram like what I've said earlier. And then, I will follow you back. Once you follow me, I will follow you back. And then, let's tag each other. I will tag you every time there is giveaways going on Instagram, alright? It's a lot of generous person in Instagram giving away those goodies. Now, I want you to read the caption every time I tag you. Read the caption on the post. And then, usually, the caption is like, for you to enter the giveaways, usually like the post, and then follow the page, and then tag friends to that post, alright? Like, for example, I want you to read carefully the instruction. There is an instruction there that you need to tag 2 friends in 1 comment, something like that. And then there is also an instruction that you need to repost it, the photos, and then tag the page or the username of that person who posted that picture, you know. So that's all you need to do. You're just gonna tag, like, follow, repost, yeah. And then the more you tag your friends, the more chances of winning. You know what I mean? So, tag lang ng tag. Okay lang yan. Kung maanoy sila, magalit sila. Okay lang yan. Basta tag ka lang ng tag. Kasi you're sharing the opportunity na manalo rin sila. This is a blessing, guys. Nung una kasi hindi ako masyadong naniwala. And then, I tried it for like 1 week, 2 weeks. And then, I received a message. There is like, congratulations, something like that. And then I found out that I won, you know. Someone congratulate me, blah, blah, blah. What? This is all the prizes that I'm going to get. And then, hindi ako maka-get over that time. Sobrang saya ko hanggang makauwi kami. Parang hindi na nawala sa isip ko. So, cross fingers, sana kayo din manalo rin kayo by joining the giveaways. Maraming namimigay ng makeups, goodies, and skincare sa Instagram, okay? So, follow me and then let's tag each other, okay? So, yeah, try it. Try to join, guys. Malay nyo kayo na yung susunod na manalo. Diba? Wala namang kayong babayan, wala namang mawawala. Okay? So, I want you to feel the same way. Kung ano yung nararamdaman ko ngayon na saya, sarap. Okay, I just want to add also, we will having a giveaway. Just stay tuned. I will announce that to my page in Instagram story. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. See you on my next one. Bye bye.